Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I wanted to bring you guys into the garage today and kind of let you look around and see how I have everything set up. I kind of wanted to document me trying to reorganize the garage and kind of bring you guys along with me as I do that. This is not going to be a one-day job. It's probably going to take me a couple of days, but I wanted to show you like the before and then the after so you guys can see everything that I'm gonna do. And so I'll flip the camera around, and I'm using a new camera today. I'm using a Canon SX730HS, and it's easier to carry. It's a lot lighter, so my hand's not like shaking as much with like the way it was with my other camera because it's really heavy. So this one's more like for vlogging, so I wanted to test it out, and I'll go ahead and flip the screen around and let you guys take a look. So this is what the garage looks like. I have a little treadmill here and my kids' bikes. I just picked up these tubs today from Home Depot, and I'm planning on using them for reorganizing everything in the garage. So basically I pretty much just put everything on these two shelves right here, and it's not really too super organized. It looks kind of like just everything's just thrown there. So I wanted to reorganize everything so everything will have its own bucket, and I'll label the buckets, and it'll just make it look a lot more pleasing to the eye, and everything will look a lot nicer and neater. This is my husband's little like work nook. He likes RC stuff. Then on this shelf right here we have just some tools, and for the most part, I mean, I'm okay with the way it looks. I mean, it could be a lot better, but for now I'll just leave that section alone because it's working out just fine. And I will be reusing these shelves, so I'm going to keep the shelves, and I will just be trying to store everything in these crates right here and then labeling everything. All right guys, so I'll see you next time whenever I start working on everything, and I'll show you guys my progress. Hey guys, so I'm back in the garage again, and I'm going to continue working on organizing everything. So far I have a little pile of trash over here, just things that I've removed from the shelves, and I've started taking things off of the shelves already and trying to organize them in the bins that I had bought from Home Depot. And I'm starting to see that a lot of the stuff in here is just mostly my husband's junk. So far I just took these crates down because they honestly don't need to be up there. So it created all this room after removing those crates, and I took off a lot of stuff already from the shelves, and I'm just putting them inside these bins. Got some labels from the Container Store. You guys have seen me use these before in a previous video. I think I showed them to you when I was doing a closet tour and organization video. So I went and picked up some more, and I found these really cute ones that have like polka dots and stripes on there, and then just like little plain ones. So I'm gonna put these to good use, and I'm just gonna label the containers with these. And I think it's just gonna be a lot of just moving things around and seeing what works and just trying to get things more organized. And I'll probably end up coming over here as well and just kind of tidying things up, because my husband just tends to just throw things back and not really put them where they go. And there's a lot of boxes that I see that can probably be thrown away, but like I said, I have to wait for him to come home and let me know what I can get rid of. So, and some of it I might just throw away without asking him. So so I'm going to continue working on that, and then I will get back with you guys again. Okay guys, so I just finished everything up, and like I said, over here I already had it pretty much organized in a way that was functioning for us. All I did was just kind of reorganize it because my husband kind of just threw everything everywhere, so I just put the stuff back where it went, and I added some labels to the little containers just to make it easier to see. I had previously just written on the actual container itself with a Sharpie, but you really couldn't see it that good. You can get a better view. It's just his drill bag and just extra cables and wires, locking peg hooks, and we have the hammers in here, and the leveler to hang pictures, and just this little organizing container just has all the nails and screws in there so they're not all over the place. Down here it's just little extra light bulbs, light fixtures, some tape, like a little emergency kit, just extra tools again, and extra screws. This little container has all the screws in there. And these are just extra tools like screwdrivers, wrenches, and things like that. So I find that it really works better to have it this way instead of like having it closed up like that, or these things we might not use as often. That's why I have them in the closed containers. And these are basically the tools and the items that we access the most, and that's why they're open like that. And I got these containers from the Dollar Tree, and they're stackable. I didn't do anything to his workstation. I just left it as is because he has his little stuff set up the way he wants it. And over here, this is how I organized it. I think it looks way better than what it did before. You couldn't really see where anything was at. What I have in the boxes themselves are just golfing accessories and shoes that my husband uses when he goes golfing, and then just some fall and winter decor that I have in there. And over here is just, again, more of my husband's things, stuff that we use like to fix up any little things that we have going on in the house, like plumbing stuff. And I have some extra little paint jars back here that I just left there. And then this is just painting accessories like brushes, this the sander, and then this the replacement pads. And then on this section I just have a little bucket for washing the car. These are just extra random things. I wasn't sure what my husband wants to do with, so I just put them in this little plastic bucket, and I'll let him deal with that when he gets a chance. And then in here is just extra water hoses and just extension cords and cables. And then basically this is just all of my husband's like tools and extra bags that he uses. We have some old DVDs, and we just keep the coolers up top. And these are just storage bags that my husband keeps his childhood clothes. These little shelves, I believe we got from Home Depot. These are the plastic ones. They were a little bit more economical versus the metal ones. I would like to in the future get the metal ones, but the metal ones are a little bit pricier, so we just got the plastic ones for now. And that's all the trash that I took down from the shelves. All this needs to be thrown away. So all that was just taking up valuable space. So, and then I'll just give you another look around of the garage. And these boxes up here, my husband did not want me to throw away, so I just stuck them in that corner for now. I don't know what he's gonna do with them. So that's a look at how I have the garage. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that you found it helpful and motivational in getting your garage organized. And I hope you guys found some neat little tips in there to help you guys on your garage organizing project. So I'm so glad that you guys were able to take this time to organize the garage with me, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Bye.